Una good morning all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional on a daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Wednesday, 4th September 2024 and our topic today na be wary of offense. Our memory verse dey for Proverbs chapter 18 verse 19. To make peace with your brother wey you offend, hard pass to break enter town when they dey guide well and quarrel. Dey separate friends like gates wey dem lock with key. Our Bible reading dey for Genesis chapter 27 verse 38 to 41 and e talk say, Esau come tell him papa, my papa, so you no get only one blessing for me? Abeg make you bless me too. Then Esau come dey cry well. So im papa Isaac come tell am, true, where you dey no go get the good wey the land dey give and the dew for the sky no go fall for your place. Na so sword you go dey take fight and you go serve your brother. But when e don tire you, then you go free yourself from all these things. So Esau come hate Jacob because of him blessing wey him papa give him brother. Esau come tell himself say, the time to mourn for my papa don near, then I go kill my brother Jacob. Now the message. Many Christians dey take people love and loyalty for granted. If one brother or sister for church love you, dey careful make you no disappoint them, because if you do and the person vex, dem fit no love you the way they take love you before. If person dey willing to make some sacrifice for you, take am as challenge for you to also make sacrifice for them. If dem dey loyal to you, you must also dey loyal to them. The way person dey close to you, na the same way you go dey more careful so you no go fit offend them. Many ministers of God, dem dey feel say because dem be the head of their ministry, dem fit dey do anything wey dem like without caring about the people wey love them. For some of them, the moment wey dem become popular, dem go come start to dey take those people wey start with them for granted. Many sworn enemies today na people wey be close friends yesterday. E get one English proverb wey talk say, make new friends but keep the old ones. One na silver, the other one na gold. Old friends na gold dem be. Dem know you and dem love you when you no be anything. As years dey go, your new friends go also start to turn to gold. You fit continue to dey make new friends, but make sure say you keep the old ones. One thing wey don help us for RCCG be say, everybody wey labor with us when we still dey very small, we dey honor and appreciate them. This way, the younger ones dem go see say if they work hard, dem no go dey neglected. The worst enemy wey anybody fit get na the enemy wey dey live inside im own house. Enemy wey dey waka dey enter dey go out with person dey dangerous well. Believers need to dey very careful make dem no let their brother vex come turn them to enemies, because dem go suffer well because of am. If you notice say e get something wey you fit all do to make your brother vex, call am go one side, come discuss am with am. Matthew chapter 5 verse 23 to 24 talk say, if you go meet God with offering and you remember say one brother get something against you, you need to leave your offering there, come go meet that brother so una go fit settle una kwata before you come back come give the offering. You need to know say Bible no talk say if you get something against the brother, but e talk say if the brother get something against you. No go be stumbling block between you and God. Bible for Romans chapter 12 verse 18 talk say, and make una try to live in peace with everybody. As long as e dey your power, live in peace with everybody around you. Our main point for today's message be say, brother love strong well, but make you no take am for granted. I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
My heart, and now he keeps me by his power. Though all the world forsake me and Satan tempt me so, through Jesus I shall safely reach the goal.